Hi guys, good morning. Jade here. I'll be filming a commercial later, and I don't know. I just wanted to show you how today goes. It's now 3 a.m. and I will be booking a Grab in a little bit. Because my call time is at 4 a.m. and I'll show you how it goes. It's a really interesting commercial. This one's for Villarica, and I'll be playing as a rival teller. And I don't know, I guess I just want to show you some behind the scenes footage and maybe you can meet some of my co actors and maybe the director and the crew members. Yeah. Uh, so let's go. Let's go. Here, I wasn't able to film anything in the car kasi sobrang bilis lang, like 9 minutes lang. Ay, hindi, 5 minutes lang nandito na ako. Wait lang. Ayan. Ito yung meeting place. I will be, I know, I'm just waiting for the car, the van, for all the talents. Maybe we should go inside Shakey's. Para safe lang. I should go inside. Okay, wait. Morning po. Morning. Saan po yung holding area ng talents? Check.
Found it! Okay, so this is what the tent looks like, and we got some cast members, crew members, casting directors, and the makeup artists. That's me getting ready for my makeup at like 4:30 in the morning. Okay, makeup's done. Time to eat breakfast! Wow, so we have banana, champorado, we got bangus, and I think this one's pork, but everything is so yummy. And now I took a look at the schedule, and this is what it looks like. So we got the scene, we got the photo, and then we got the time, and then also the description of each scene. And this copy is super wet. I don't know what happened. So this is me in full costume. Yay! Let me show you the set. Okay, so now that you got a little tour of the set, let's now meet the cast.
Hi!
Hagis mo, ganyan.
Okay.
Sa basic lang. Tapos, hanggang sa marunong ka na sa dalawa, tatloyin mo na.
Wait lang, paano ulit yung dalawa?
Ngayon yung dalawa.
Oh.
Mukhang pag-aaralan mo doon yan.
Ito try ko lang daw. Try ko.
Agis-agis. Agis-agis yan.
Ayun. Ano ko lang pala to? Ay, vlog po to. Ay, casting director, Ma'am Gay.
Oh, inabot niya lang din, oh, di ba? Naabot niya lang din.
Ang hirap pala, no?
Mahirap ah.
Mali. Sige lang. Oh, di ba inabot niya lang yung isa? Di ba inabot niya lang yung isa, di ba? Oh, sabi ko siya, hagis-hagis.
Hindi ko alam.
Oh, di ba inabot niya? Eng. Oh, di ba inaabot? Oh.
Hindi ko alam.
Ayun, inaabot niya talaga. Yun. Pinagsabay na.
Okay. Oh!
Palive na ang camera? Palive.
May text pa.
Oh my God! Uy, astig! Uy, uy! Yes! Name mo? Anong gagawin mo, Juniel?
Naglalaro tayo ng apoy.
Wow. O later, may video kita.
Yes, sige.
Kasi walang props now. Where?
Nakatago yung props. Pinainit natin para mas maganda at mas mainit.
Wow.
Parang pagmamahal.
Kayo po. Name.
Ako ba? Ano yung gagawin ko?
Ano pong gagawin nyo later?
Na acrobat.
Wow. May kasama po kayo si... Ano po? Ano po?
Big boy.
Big Boy!
Oh, wala big boy.
Ayan, later may video sila.
Ako si Bunsoy Ubaldo. Ako yung kakosa mo sa panggagancho, magician.
Wow, sample pa ng magic. Wow!
Hindi natin nakita.
Nawala.
Ayun, nasaan yun? Ganun naging visible.
Oh, kalapati na.
Nababa na lang din.
In frame is Sunny Dumayas, our assistant director. And then he is our director, Marius Dalampas. Kuya, magkano po?
20 pesos lang po.
Ito, yung butter. Going in na. Hello po.
Obet, kailangan ko yung hat at least stand-in para maka-acting si Buchoy.
Okay, wala. Okay, kay open, okay na.
Isusuot nila yun eh.
Ang init dito. Hi! What's your name? Ano po name nyo? This is Nicole. This is Cliff. How does it feel? Yeah, to work on this project.
I was excited for the service.
Ah.
I had fun. Kala ko nakakatakot yung fire breather. Tama ko ba yung sinasabi ko?
Fire breather.
Pero actually excited siya.
Yes. How about you?
I'm good. Thanks.
Okay na yun.
Yes.
Alright. Happy.
You saw
Hi.
Marian here.
Yes. What are you doing today?
I'm just eating and waiting for my...
No, kasama mo si Cincy Cliff, di ba?
Oo.
Ay, wow! Polite. Hello po.
Hey, hello!
Magic.
What's up, madlang people?
Magic sample po ulit.
Hindi mo ganun.
Wow!
uwi naman daw sila mamaya. Tainan lang.
Sa amin ko after.
Sampal na isang video.
They're doing the makeup for ano. Ice cream break. Thank you, Ate Maria. Thank you. Ate, thank you. Ooh. Grabe, ang haggard ka na. Thank you.
Actually, may adhesive spray ka. Sa ID niya kasabi ko layer. Dagigan camera.
We're done. We're done.
I just finished dinner here and I'm so happy but very, very tired, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.